Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. So Samsung has launched its latest premium S-series phones like clockwork, while the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus further the aesthetic and specs of last year's Galaxy S21 models. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra sits at the top of the pile with a major redesign and posh specs to match. The phone marks an all-important strategy shift for Samsung by incorporating elements from the now-defunct Galaxy Note line, including an embedded S Pen and a large, boxy display with curved edges. However, if you're looking for a premium Samsung phone, the S22 Ultra isn't the only fish in the pond. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, launched not too long ago, also offers enviable screen real estate, the smoothness of a high refresh rate, S Pen support, and of course, a foldable design. So which is the best premium Galaxy phone for you between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3? Well, let's find out. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 3 are poles apart when it comes to their design. With the new Ultra, you get a large 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's very reminiscent of the screen we saw on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, complete with curved edges and a centrally placed punch-hole camera. The phone also has a glass and metal slab-like construction like the last Note standing. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 offers not one but two displays. The outer screen of the foldable phone measures 6.2 inches and carries a high 120Hz refresh rate. The inner display gets the same high refresh rate but stretches 7.6 inches for all the multitasking and media consumption your heart desires. Needless to say, if more screen is what you're after, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is your best bet. That in no way means that the Galaxy S22 Ultra has a bad display. The S22 Ultra offers the same bright, punchy, and colorful screen you're so used to getting on premium Samsung flagships. It's also quite large and offers a QHD+ resolution, so your content should look pretty good on it. There are significant differences in the hardware of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 3. For one, the former comes with the all-new 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Of course, not all regions will get the Qualcomm chipset. The phones will also be available with Samsung's own 4nm Exynos 2200 chip in regions outside the US. Both are brand new SoCs that promise a performance boost over the Snapdragon 888. Of course, we'll have to pit the chips against each other to know that for sure. However, both silicons offer upgraded specs compared to their respective predecessors. You get a total of 4 shooters at the back of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. There's a 108MP wide-angle camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and two 10MP telephoto lenses, one that offers 10x optical zoom and 100x space zoom and another that features 3x optical zoom. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 makes do with 3 12MP shooters in a wide plus ultra-wide plus telephoto setting. It's the same configuration Samsung put out in 2020, so the phone is about 2 years behind the curve in the camera department. So that is it guys, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.